going to need to get rid of those really stubborn stains on your toilet is some baking soda and some vinegar. I have my vinegar in this spray bottle, and you're going to mix it together to make some sort of paste. It's easier to do this in a bowl or a Tupperware than it is to mix it directly onto the toilet. And I really love to use a toddler's toothbrush or a baby toothbrush to do this because they're super tiny and you can get really into all of those little nooks and crannies and crevices on the toilet. I absolutely love this for that. All you're going to do is go ahead and start scrubbing it in, start buffing it in. If you have some really hard set on stains, you can make your paste a little bit thicker by using less vinegar and letting it sit on your toilet for a while. You can also use this on your sink, in your bathtubs, on your faucets, whatever it is. And because you make it a thick paste, it'll sit there, it'll dry a little bit, and then you can always go back, spray it with some more vinegar, and wipe it down. It's really as easy as that. It is the easiest way to get rid of any hard-on, stubborn stains. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, I will catch you guys in another video.